Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today I came up with a video that I posted like 1 or 2 days before. I posted a video, a short was posted that an update has came from the TCS only. I have seen that there was a two bifurcations, that is for the IT role and for the finance and business roles. That is for the MBA and BBA students. There is a different exam of TCS and QT, and for the IT programmers there is a different exam of TCS and QT. So I will be discussing about that thing only because many of you have said me that make a full video on it, because I was needing a suggestion, because I didn't know that it is that much worth it video. So I thought to take a suggestion from you all, because it is necessary to take a suggestion. So we are going to talk about everything in this video. That is, what are the specialties, what are things are necessary, and I will tell you that these two exams are the paid exams, and you will be also getting a course you will be getting that you can read also, and you can give that exam also. So we will be talking about everything, no need to worry about that thing. And let's go to the screen. We are going to see everything, like the eligibility criteria, everything in the detail will be shown in front of you on the screen. So no need to worry about that thing. You just need to wait and just need to watch and just click on that like button and just need to subscribe that channel. And one more thing you need to do, what is, you go down in the description, go down in the comment section, and you need to comment that which degree you are doing, from which background you are, or anything that is up to you, or whatever you think about me, whatever you think about this channel, anything you can describe in your words. That is it is up to you. So let's go to the screen. Let's see everything practically. Let's go. So as I came to my screen, this is the basic site of TCS and QT, and here you can see that there are two roles. That is, the first one is the TCS IT career readiness, and second one is the for BFS. So we'll be seeing everything, like for both of the roles we will be seeing. And as you can see that it is for the IT career, and this one is for the BFS career, banking and financial company. So we will be talking about both, and it is giving you better opportunity as compared to any other exams, because like you are getting a common exam, you are giving a common exam in, like MCAT is also taking money, E-Litmus is also taking money. So why not to try in TCS and QT? Because many of you got selected in TCS and QT, many of you got jobs through this. I will be coming up with an interview video also with one of my friend who has been selected in TCS as an engineer only, and it was through the TCS and QT. So I'll be talking about that thing only in the coming videos, in the coming interview videos. No need to worry. If you want those kind of videos, just go down and comment. It will give you more experience at what kind of things are going on in the industry, what are the things you need to learn, what are the things you need to read, so that you can crack these kind of jobs. So when you will see here on the screen that this is the TCS and QT IT careers, and it has been reduced to the price 37% price had been reduced. A discount of 37% is there. It is not a sponsored video. First of all, it is not a sponsored video. I am telling you that is because it will be beneficial for you. So when you will scroll down, you will see here the kickstart career to your top IT companies. Then next thing, what you can see that you can take a sample test also. It is up to you. You can click on this and you can take a sample test of subject programming and in QT cognitive skills. You will click on this, a page will come where you can log in and give the exam. It is up to you. It is up to you that it is a kind of mock test that will give you an idea that what kind of exam is going to be hampered. Then when you will close this, and here are the close dates, that when this exam will be closed, registration will be closed. But I will tell you one thing, both the dates are similar. That is 20th of April for this also, and for this also, this exam date is similar. But I will tell you one thing, what happens in TCS and QT, that whenever a role or exam has been announced, and like some days after, like 1 or 2 days, many of times it's happened that for a particular state or for a particular location that seat has been filled, so the registration is closed for that particular location, and it happens. Okay, so when you will, how can you apply? Who can apply? Very first thing, who can apply? Anyone who is aspiring to the get role in IT programmer. Same is for the, if you want to go for the BFS, you will see here that if you are going to aspire, if you want a job in banking and financial markets, you can do this one, that is BFS. Same is for this one. You will get both the links in the description. No need to worry. You just need to go in the description. You will find these links. It will be useful for you only. So when you will see here that a fresher can, the fresher who would like to test the skills of programming and aptitude, you can apply here. If you want to get into the aptitude, you can apply for this role, that is IT guidelines, career guidelines. So the next thing, that is anyone who will like to possess the career in the IT, improve the chance of getting hired. So you can apply for this role. You can do this course. It will be easy for you. It will help you to land into an good IT company. So when you will see the job prospect will be these all the roles you can get with this. That that is developer, system engineer, data analyst, IT analyst, job roles in the IT industry. Next thing, that is the eligibility criteria, that is it will give you entry level job roles in the top IT companies. You will be getting an entry level job role. That is, next thing is that 3 to 6 LPA, that is you will be getting a salary range. You can get a salary range from 3 LPA to 6 LPA. That is not fixed, it depends. It is a CTC. Don't get that dividing the 3 lakhs with 12 you will get this much money. That is a CTC. Okay, cost to company. Then when you scroll down, you can see that about the test, you can there are two methods in this particular exam, that is फिजिकल एग्जाम एंड इन सेंटर एग्जाम एंड कंडक्टर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम भी हो सकता है, अपने घर से दे सकते हो. यू कैन गिव दीज काइंड ऑफ एग्जाम्स लाइक दिस एग्जाम फ्रॉम योर होम ऑल्सो, रिमोट टेस्ट. एंड सेकेंड वन इज दैट फिजिकल इन सेंटर, दैट इज यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव दिस फ्रॉम द सेंटर्स. यू कैन चूज द सेंटर्स एंड you can give. So I will suggest that you can give from the home only. It will be easy for you. You don't need to travel anywhere. 2 years of the score you will be getting, that will be valid for 2 years. So these are the common things that you can do, and you can see this, what you will get in this pack. When you will buy this pack, what are the things you will be getting? The एग्जाम तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. कोर्स क्या मिलेगा? न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स का एक कोर्स मिलेगा. न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, वर्बल एबिलिटी, रीजनिंग, देन aptitude alignment, that is personal traits, 30 minutes, that is basically the psychometric test. Many of you were asking me that psychometric test देना चाहिए नहीं देना चाहिए. मैं बताता हूँ, many times it happens that many companies will ask you about the psychometric test, many companies will not ask you about the psychometric test. So it depends on you that you will go for it or you will not go for it. It is up to you. Subject NQT is basically related to the programming section, to the data structure section, to the coding section. So you will get these things. 60 minutes will be there and you have to complete that. So what you need to do, you just need to the buy now options and you will log in to there. I will not show those steps because मेरे को तो एग्जाम देना नहीं है ये, तो मैं ये चीज़ नहीं दिखाऊंगा. ठीक है, नॉर्मल से स्टेप्स हैं. whatever step, if you have seen my videos of TCS NQT registration, same steps will be there. You have to just buy now and you have to buy this course and you can activate there. When you will buy this, you will can activate this course very easily. It will be added to your dashboard. Okay, so the next one is the BFS. Same roles are not there, but same things are there, same steps are there. The role you will be getting, you can get hired by a banking and financial company. So when you will scroll down, you can get the registration dates are same, the test dates are same. Who all can apply? Who all can apply? The same thing that is common, but it is for the financial guys. That is anyone who is aspiring a job in banking or finance market. Okay, so you can get into this company. A fresher who would like to test his skills, aptitude and financial market and services. Then what are the roles, what are the package you will be getting? The package range is from 1.5 to 7.5 LPA. That is a range, a very good range. 1.5 LPA भी मिलता है लोगों को, 7 LPA भी मिलता है. It is a kind of a range, एक range दे दिया गया है कि यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक you can get it. It is up to you. Then it is depends on your score, it depends on your skills, it depends on your interview performance. So it depends. Okay, so the roles you will be getting, the roles here it is written that the roles are this, just a second, these are the roles you will be getting. That is accountant executive, accountant operation officer, data entry, data analyst, financial analyst, auditor, operations, tally, cashier and any other industry. What you can do, you can just see here, and when you will go down, you can see here that these are the things you will be getting. That is numerical ability, reasoning ability, these are the common things for the IT career also, and the second one also. Then a big personality, that is psychometric test, this is also common, it is also important. Then a financial subject NQT will be related to your subject, that is financial market, and here are the topics you will be getting. So it depends on you. If you want more videos, like I can post some videos related to IT careers, I can try out that. So in this video we have talked about everything, like how to apply, what is the process of application. You all have demanded this video, I have came up with these kind of videos. I have asked everyone that if you want a video, you can comment down, I will make a video. I have made this video, I think so I have posted just 2 days before and I am up with a video. So it is up to you that how you support. So much, thank you so much for supporting me, and it was a great thing that you all are supporting me so much. I am very happy with all satisfied with all my performance, and I am working hard to make videos daily, and with daily updates, sometimes 2 videos a day, sometimes 3 videos a day, I try to make some videos. So this was all it, and if you want more videos like this that will help you in your career, and you can also comment down your graduation, whichever graduation you have done, whichever degree you have done. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topics. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर कुछ चाहिए तो जरूर कमेंट डाउन करना, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.